Good morning, loves. Welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya, Sidegigcrafts. You guys, it is Show and Tell Friday, and I have got some things to show to you. So welcome. This is my design team day, and for Craft1 and my old barn door. And I wanted to share some of the papers with you, the kits that I've used in my project before I go on to show you my project. As you'll be seeing some others showing some today. That Diane has released a new kit. The one I'm showing you right now is Pastel Easter. She's going to be, she is posting another new kit with butterflies and pastels. I'm going to show you that quickly as well. I used a few pages of that. I won't go through this whole entire stack, you guys, but these are just fantastic. Look at these colors. Look at the grunge and the neutrals in there. I absolutely adore these photos. This one goes perfect with the Tim Holtz rabbit stamp that just came out. Aren't these gorgeous? Love, 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 love. And then this one is the, these are frames, I believe they're called. And I'm just showing you some of the ones. This is one of the kits that I used as well. Got different size frames. This one is from La Ferme is the name of this one, and it's kind of a pink farm theme. I absolutely adore this little duck. Look at these animals. So I've kind of put them together. Look at that squirrel and the pink tractor. Aren't they adorable? Look at these faces. They make me happy, and the lamb is just gorgeous. Love the church. We used that in a project the other day. You'll see that project in this today. So isn't that cute? You guys, these are amazing. Go to her Etsy. The links are going to be in the description box. There's that duck again and the lamb. We've got some washi there. There's some cut aparts. You get the idea. Aren't they beautiful? There's even kittens in there. Super, super cute. There's pockets and ephemera. There's pockets and tags that are available there. We've got some background pictures. I love these prints too. Look at that. And then this one. This looks like a comforter to me. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at those. So that's La Ferme. So is that. Let's get through this one really quick. I'm going to go through them quickly because I want to get to the project. And sometimes I don't want to lose you, but I do want to show you. I love this one. Love it. Love it, love it. I printed it more than once. Look at that tractor, the little piggy. Beautiful, beautiful papers, beautiful kit. Now this one is the butterfly one she just released. And I did not print it all out because there were just so many pages, and I just printed out some of the ones I thought I might be using. I love the chickens and the butterflies, the blues, the pinks. It's all there. And I love this little girl and her cow. It's another big pocket. So in this, there's a set for tall journals as well as the regular size ones. So you'll see, so I actually cut that one off by accident. I printed it the wrong direction. But the colors in here are so rich. Look at that. Vibrant. Look at the truck with all the flowers. Can you see that? Just beautiful. So I hope you guys will go check it out. There's lots and lots and lots to see. I think this is my favorite paper of all of these. Just the little lamb with the chicken. It's got butterflies. All the colors are just amazing. So really, really pretty. There's even some, quilting or some cross stitching inserted in there. There's another cow there. It's not called a cow. What is that? Is it a bison? Long hair. I don't know. I can't remember what they're called. Look at that though. Isn't that fun? Super, super fun. She worked really hard on these. I love that one too. That's so versatile. Great for backgrounds. There's some cotton on here and some butterflies, some receipts, some grungy wallpaper. Love it. Look at that. You get the idea. Look at that. With this one, look at this paper. What fun. There's wallpapers. Look at that wallpaper. I want to show you just all of these. I'm so excited about this kit. So excited about this kit. This is going to have, I can see these are journaling cards or pages. I see them as journaling cards because they're on cardstock, but Look at this one with the truck again. And the butterflies inserted in there and the stamps in the back. Just gorgeous. So guys, make sure you go check it out. You're going to find something you love on her page, on her Etsy. Look at this. That reminds me of being here in the South with the old homes that are around here and the fields. Love it. We've got fabric tags here. Really, really cool. There's something for everyone. So check them out. I'm going to show you my design team project. I hope you're excited. I'm excited to show it to you. This is my tall journal. I'm actually going to lift you up just a little bit if I can, so that you can see this one. I've got stitching all around. I've used this old quilt. I decided not to put anything more on here. This is going to be, this is just a soft velvet grungy ribbon that I found. It's just perfect. It's so soft. And you untie this one. See, nothing on it. It's got ruffling. This was an old pillowcase comforter kind of thing. And when you untie it the wrong way, it turns into a knot. Or you can untie it the right way, and then you can open it. And this fabric part, I put a pocket here, so you can put something there. And I put a little pocket over here on the back, and that's where I put our little ephemera holder, remember, with the church on it. So I put that one in there. I guess I should show you that. There we go, in case you missed that video. It's got some ephemera in there. So with our Shaw and Tell, you'll see a different creator, design team creator, every Friday posting for Diane's team. This was my day. And so this is my project. And I've got this great journal. And this is, I put it in there because it's kind of a soft journal. The pages are soft, and I wanted something a little bit more protective of it. But I've got this cluster here on the front that I made quite a while ago. It's been in my stash for quite some time, and I've just finally found a use for it. I think it's great. It's got a little photo in there, and I used Tim Holtz Rabbit on the front. I cut a window out that looks in the shape of an Easter egg. I kind of clipped this little tag on here. We made these the other day. And when you open it up, we've got that clip holding a little bunny card here. You see how perfect those bunnies are? They're just so close. They're so similar. And then here, this is a little flip out that's just held shut with that paper clip. You see that? You can journal in there or tuck something in. It could also be glued on the sides and turned into a pocket, but I left it open. Put that bunny back. And then over on this side, these are my coffee dyed papers. This side we've got a little text spot. I've got a little cow tag in there. This is from the new butterfly papers. And I put a little envelope in there. And a journaling card with some extra paper on there. There's a couple pieces, I believe. Yep. Oh, it's folded. That's right. It's just folded up on there. And then I put this glassine envelope with the little tag, or the little vellum on there, and just kind of tucked that under. Actually, I like it that way. Let's put that there. And we flip it open. We've got the bunny from one of the Easter kit. And flip that. That's a paper from, or that's part of the ephemera kit from one of the kits. This is a tag or an envelope I had in my stash that I made a while back. And it's just a little seed envelope. This is from the kit. And this is some book page that I did some stenciling on that I thought would look nice in there. We've got a tag here from the kit as well. This is from one of the tall, from the butterfly set. This is from the slim one. We've got the bunny from the Le Firm. I've got a small tuck spot here, so something could be just kind of tucked in there neatly. Little note, perhaps. And then this one. And then this one opens up for photos or for notes, what have you. I left a lot of space in here for journaling. I wanted to make sure I left plenty of room. This is a little pocket here. Spring is in the air. Again, this is from the kit. This is from the kit. Everything's from the kit, or it's a one of my coffee dyed papers. We made those together on video with the hand stitching. And these are just the little journaling cards that I made out of the kit. Take that open. We've got this one. Oh, this one is from, see, I have to take that back now. This one is from a Shabby Dabby Doodah, I believe. One of her kits, but I thought it was perfect in here. I put a little fabric tag on there with the same ribbon as the enclosure. And then we've got the kit here. There's another tag in here with the little tractors. So that's kind of a fun little piece there. And this is the little pocket that's made on the other side of that. So I put some little journaling cards in there. Use the church here again. And we've got the little cow with the little girl. And then we've got some book page back here. These were from the butterfly kit, both of these. And then this is from the Easter kit. This one is from La Ferme. It's got the pink wallpaper back there. And then this was from my stash. Got some book page. This is from the kit, from the Easter one. This is handmade paper that I made a while back. This is the same paper that I used here. Just a piece off of there for the tab. We'll put the little girl with the little duck here. Coffee stained. This is the washi tape. Then I just used it as an edging. And put some more from the kit over here. This one is actually a little pocket. Here, I can stick that in here. Let not your heart be troubled. And then we've got some, what's the word? Yeah, I made that. There's a little pocket from the kit. I've got some little cards in here as well as some music. And this one is actually an Easter song from a hymnal. So I put that in there. And we've got the cow here and lots of empty space for journaling. I left these empty so that the charms could be added to that or cut shorter. Stenciling, yes, that's what I did there. And then I've got this little tag in here. This was from the butterfly kit. This is from the Easter kit. Did some hand stitching there from the Easter kit. This is a book page. I've got some fun little things in here. This is also a book page from a vintage magazine, I believe. This one was from the kit. This was from my stash. This is, I don't remember what papers these were, but this is from a padded paper that I got along the way, I believe from Tuesday morning. This is a little envelope that we made the other day. And a little tag with the kit papers. So just kind of put some goodies in there for the recipient. And I've got some more music paper. Again, it's another Easter song, and then the farm there. On this side, we've got more of the kit. Actually made, oh, I forgot to put something in that pocket. This one is from one of the file folders. I cut it in half and actually made a double pocket out of it. So this was one of the tags from the butterfly kit. And this was one of the file folders from that kit. So it's got a pocket here and a pocket here. I've got book page in the back. I do need to put something in that front pocket, or in the other pocket. And this one was from the other side of that stash. This is just some trim from there. And here's another pocket with another hymn. And put that there. This one is from the Easter kit as well. This was from an old vintage book. And I made this is a removable journaling card. And then this page actually can flip up. This one tucks behind it. And then you can actually see down below. And then this is some washi here. We flip that back open. We've got the lamb on this side. And we've got another pocket here with some ephemera in there and some journaling cards, some pretties. Got some more great coffee paper. This is the weaving that we did the other day with the paper strips. I made a flip out for it, so we can do journaling on this side. This could be a hidden spot or a photo, something there, or a photo would be really cute here. Got the pink tractor here and some more of that velvet. This is the painting that I did on the book page. That was fun. I just put it in there. And this is a little pocket with another long tag in it. Some more coffee dyed paper. And then this page has the kids on there, another hymnal, and another journaling card that we made. This one flips to the bottom. I thought that was perfect there. And then I used some of the washi strip from the butterfly kit here on the edges. And some more coffee paper. We've got our cow, our beautiful cow. There's a pocket here with the vellum envelope. This one's got a couple little tags and goodies in there, as well as a journaling card and another hymnal page. That's just a little side pocket there that can be added to. And then next page we've got the bunny. We've got the other side of this envelope. So this one opens up too. This is from the butterfly kit. And this is actually just a offcut that I had. The printer, I printed it wrong. So it only printed half the tag, and I thought that's perfect actually for a page tab. So I was still able to put it to use. These little stamps come in that kit, in the butterfly kit. We've got the cow again. We've got a pocket right here. And then this flips open for more space. And that's the back. So that's it, you guys. Then this one goes right back into the cover. Right back into the cover for safekeeping. But this would make it a really easy way to have that beautiful cover, protect everything inside. This can actually grow with the journal as it grows, if it's, if we add to it. It's got plenty of room for that. And it's a beautiful way to store that safely. So I hope you guys liked that, the journal. I hope you enjoyed the project. I hope you enjoy the upcoming projects as well. Check them out. I'm going to have a list of all the creators in the description box so that you can check out their projects too. And thanks, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.